I'm Claire Campbell. I am the Adult Literacy Organiser here in the Ballymun Adult Read and Write Scheme. We run a gardening class here on Wednesday afternoons. Because this is a literacy service, we will invite students from across our service to join in our gardening class, and they work really hands-on, so it's not so much a paper-based course as it is a hands-on course where they're learning about planting, when to plant, how to plant, what to plant at the different times of year. They work both inside here in this hall area and also out in our courtyard, where they have hanging baskets, pots, all kinds of containers that were never intended as plant pots. It reached out into little parts of the city who wouldn't normally be involved in the educational aspect, as well as to our past students, current students and families and friends of our students. So I suppose it expanded a little bit outside our usual small bubble, but also we were able to advertise other events that were happening across the city. People were able to attend Zoom events that they wouldn't have been able to attend here on site. So I suppose Zoom has reached out across the city as well and made courses more accessible to all students. Although there's similar services across the city, not just in the ETB but across the many services, it's really, really lovely to know what's going on in different areas. It's inspiring to hear of courses that are successful and that are working in other areas, but also for ideas. When you see the Dublin City Learning Festival and what's happening in it, there's courses or programmes or one-off workshops that actually our students here in Ballymun would love to be part of or love to include here in our programme. So being part of the Dublin City Learning Festival is, you know, it's just a great opportunity to reach out across the city and be part of the city and not just our own little bubble here in Ballymun.